Hello, and welcome back to my 30 videos in 30 days series. Today I'm going to make a case for my wife's purse that holds a couple bottles of essential oil. If you'd like to see how it's done, please stick around. The leather for this project is going to come from this seat that I grabbed out of a Honda Accord that was on its way to the scrapyard. On this little side panel, the center section here is leather and the surrounding panels are made out of vinyl. I think this center section will be enough for what I need. I'm going to use this board from a bowling lane built in 1959 to give me a little bit of support to go with the leather. I'm going to throw a couple staples in it to make sure it doesn't slide around on me before I clamp it. But the staples aren't really giving it much holding power. I'll let this contact cement set up till it gets tacky, then I'll be able to stick the two pieces together. I decided to put the leather on with the side that was facing the inside of the seat out. I kind of like that softer suede look over the smooth car seat leather look. Now I'll just do the final trimming on the leather. Thanks for watching me make this case for my wife's essential oils. I'm going to call this a prototype. There's a couple things I don't like about it, but for the most part the proof of concept works. I made it the full width of two bowling lane boards, and in truth I should have probably taken about an 1/8 inch off of each of them to bring a 1/4 inch less width to the whole thing. I don't think the stuff's going to fall out, but I don't think it hurt to have a little bit more protection on the side either, and I'd like some kind of a magnetic clasp. I'm just using the screw that I had right now, and it seems to work, and it seems to hold it, and it's easy enough to get on and off, just like unbuttoning a shirt. The proof of concept I am really happy with. I want to make something like this once my 30 videos and 30 day series is done. I want to try to develop this a little bit better. I've never worked with leather before, but it seems like a pretty fun medium to work with, especially reclaimed leather. Seems like a way better use for it than just letting it go through a shredder and then end up in a landfill. I literally have tons of bowling lane that I could use to make this, and car seats are pretty easy to come by. I've never really thought of reusing the leather out of a car seat. I've seen a lot of car seats go to scrap yards. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit that subscribe button. And until next time, peace.